Hello everyone, and welcome to Project Zomboid. My name is Jamie, and if it wants to load, okay, yeah, here we are. Oh, we're in here. Okay, this is what was his name? Info. This is Richie. He is conspicuous. He is easily seen. He cannot drive. He's don't know how you say that. He can read fast, and he loves the outdoors. He killed any zombies. I am playing on the loser mode, you know, because I'm noob. That's why. So I have a baseball bat and shit. But we're playing Project Zomboid. This is Riverside, I think. Just taking everything I can. Or food. Oh my god. Only beer. Okay, I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Holy shit. Gonna get drunk. What's this? I'm not taking any more beer. Wine, cigarettes, pop, wine. Okay. I guess that's my visit at the bar. Oh, hell yeah. Now I can end my life. Wait, an empty bottle is handy. Can fill it with water. Okay, here we go. Let's see, where am I? There's a zombie over there. Okay, that's everything. Should look at these cars. Maybe some handy shit in there. Here we go. Oh, hell yeah. Where? With the hood up, always. Pants, let's rip the clothing. Rip the clothing. Because I can use that as bandages. What's in this car? Let's see. There's not even things left. Okay. Car key required or screwdriver. Shit. Okay. That's ass. Doesn't matter. What's this? A laundromat. Okay. Clothes. There's socks. Rip clothing. Ooh. Okay. No, come on. Oh, okay. Let's just do it like this. I can wear it. What does a sheet rope do? I never know. I don't know. Oh, that may be handy. I can dry myself with it. Here we go. Ooh, oh. Oh god. Remove broken glass. I don't... Does that hurt my feet? No, it doesn't. Okay. Grab everything. All the food. Hell yeah. Carrots. Hell yeah. Ooh. That's a lot of food. Hell yeah. Won't be starving anytime soon. I can secure this place, maybe. I don't want any corned food. This may be handy, but it's in a freezer though, or in a fridge. So that's not handy. Maybe not. Okay, let's unlock the door. What's in here? Well, let's see. Does it have gas? It does 2%, but okay. Let's see. Does it have a car? Oh shit, okay, I made a huge mistake. But we don't have a car. We don't have a key, so it doesn't matter. It's fine. What's this? Okay. Clothing store. Shit. I made a lot of sound. Okay, here we go. I don't want any more food now. Oh, we got a knife. Okay. A crowbar. Oh, hell yeah. Give me that. Grab this. Attach this to my back. And we got this. Okay, hell yeah. Butter knife? Are you serious? Nothing. But I need wood. And it's locked. Okay. That's great. Open up the window. Oh, the TV's on. That's not a good sign. Or maybe it is. Who knows. Close window. Unlock the door. And be prepared for any zombies. Okay. There's no one. I knew that. Why does no one have a what's it called, a screwdriver? Okay, wait, fresh, put this in here, put this in here, grapefruit fresh, put it in here, put it all in here. Everything that's fresh, put in here. Even my beer, put it in here. Like, I'm still carrying too much, but okay, it doesn't matter. Hammer. I have a hammer though, so maybe I can. Oh wait, there's a door. Hair gel. No, I'm good. Wait, there's some books in here. Okay. Well, this is my home, I guess. Screwed. Oh, hi there. Oh, hi there. You must be my neighbors. Oh shit. God. Here we go. Wait, can I? Okay, I cannot. This is. Oh, wait. Wait a second, that's a car key. Is it the car key for this? Or for that thing? I think it's for this thing. But I don't think it's in good condition. Let me see. It's okay. No, okay, it's not the key for this one. A jack? I don't know what it is, but sure, let's take it. That's my neighbor's home, that's my home. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Run to my home. That's good. Close the door. let's place a marker for my home right here. This is food. Where's food? Oh, right here. There we go. Also have a red pen, but I don't need it, but sure. Okay, here we go. Looted this one, and I have a feeling, yeah, I also looted that one. Okay, so those are done. Can I sleep? I hope I don't die. Don't die, please. I'm not dead yet. Holy shit, and it's also the next day. Let's eat. Let's eat my chips. Let's go. Wait, I forgot. I have a... I can barricade this window with what? I think with... over here somewhere? Where was it? I had it. Right? Right? Oh wait, where was it? Did I accidentally put it in here? No. I swear I had one thing over here. Okay, guess I don't. Franklin all-terrain key. What car? Well, I guess I'm gonna read it. Let's read it. I'm slightly thirsty. Dry mouth, okay. Don't care. I'm not gonna drink. Okay, I think I have to drink. Well, okay. Fill empty bottles all. Here we go. Oh, I instantly drink, okay. Fill water bottle. Clean rag. Wash. Can I wash? Water bottle. Water bottle and water bottle. Okay, so it is filled. All right. Let's eat a banana. Not enough? Then eat a pickle. Hell yeah. I'm feeling I should train. So here we go. I think squats is okay. Let's wait. Put that on the floor and now train. Grab the school bag and equip it on back. Let's rest. Okay. Oh, I need to sleep again. Shit. I'm gonna die. My window's broken. Shit. My window's broken. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah. Nothing really. I still have to pain. I don't really have pain, but okay. Well, still no screwdriver. That's fine. What's in here? Let's see. There is 2% gas. Does it have the key in it? No, it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Let me do this. Okay, now I can see the map. Okay, here we go. I'm still scared. Clean blood. Oh, I do that with bleach. I also need an axe. But I don't know where to find those because since I never played this game. Let's watch Life and Living TV. Okay, yeah. Is that it? Come on. There has to be something else, right? Yes. Okay. I'm getting tired, so let's sleep in my bed. And I still want a sheet. What's damaging me? Why do I have much load somehow? Okay, doesn't really matter. There's really nothing really important, so I can maybe just unequip it, put it in here. Let's sleep. Yes. Hello. Sleep. Bro. Thank you. Let me grab my bag. Equip it on bag. Maybe it's because of all the things I have in here. Shotgun can go in here. My wrench and my hammer can go in here. My key. Well, it's not really mine, but okay. Zucchini can go in here. That's it. Let's, oh wait. I can better eat that zucchini. Since I am hungry anyway. Radish. Don't like it, but sure. And let's just drink from, oh wait, fill all. Fill all. Fill water bottle. Fill water bottle. Fill water bottle. Contents can only be purified in a microwave. Settings. Are there settings? Oh, there are settings in here. Timer. 60. Oh. Okay. Cancel it. Okay. Here we go. There was something in here though. There was like the parking lot. I want to check it. Non-wood. I know. How long have I been recording? In half an hour. Okay, sure. I'm happy that I have a watch now. Yo, bro. How you doing? How you doing, bro? Thank you for dying, bro. There's a bar right here. An actual, or a restaurant, sorry. Oh, god damn it. 2 police cars. Okay, nothing. Looks safe. There's someone there. Oh, there's... with guns! With guns! What is... Oh! Oh god! Oh, okay. That was fast. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one... just wear it. Oh my god! Die. Die. I said die. Please. Thank you. I didn't... okay. Where? Okay, let's see. A shotgun. Okay, I already have a shotgun. Ooh, a holster. Wear it. And let's attach it to a holster. And let's remove this jackets. I already read this thing, so I can wear the hat. Hell yeah. The hat. I'm drippy now. Now I have a gun, but it's almost useless. Smash window. Let's remove the broken glass since I don't want to risk getting hurt. Wait a second. Burger. There's a burger. I want to eat that burger. Hell yeah. Okay. Okay, I don't think there is a screwdriver in here. But maybe. Who knows? Dish towel. These are just there. Okay, no. I don't think there's anything in here. There's money. Ooh, wait. Extinguisher. Paper straw. Why is there extinguisher in here? Not even gonna ask, but okay. There's bleach, more bleach, okay. More things to kill myself. Let's climb through. Let's see. Oh, there's a police station over here. Oh, shit. Shit, police station, hell yeah, come here. Oh shit. Oh god! Gotcha. Hell yeah. None of you have a... no, okay, none of you have a screwdriver, of course. I can use that police car, maybe. If I know how to hotwire a police car. Since I didn't use the burglary trade. Why isn't it open? It's a police station. This should be open for everyone, but okay. God damn it. I'm gonna have to smash through the windows. Okay. Come on. Matches, don't want matches. I hear someone. I hear a zombie. Not in the bathroom. Okay, that's closed. Oh my god! Okay, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, I'm not bleeding. Okay, that's great, that's great. I'm not bleeding. Okay, that is great. Bandage it. Bandage it. Oh my goodness. How am I not bleeding? There's an interrogation room. Keyring. Yes. A revolver. Drill. Oh, another holster. Okay, it's still the same thing. Okay. Oh, now I have ammo for this one. What? 9mm. M199. Okay. Okay, it's useless. It's useless. Ooh. More 9mm. Don't. Okay. I don't have a 9mm gun, so. Okay, okay. That's great shit. I heard. That sounds has to stop. The sounds. For real, those sounds has to stop. I hate it. Don't like it. And I hate it. And I definitely don't like it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Always break through the side window. Vehicle mechanics. Please have some gas. Please, go on, have some gas. It doesn't have any gas. I'm so happy, you know. Is it open? It isn't open. Smash window. Go in. Please say the key is in. Switch seat to this one. I don't have the key. Come on, I don't have the key for the car. Electrical. And I still don't have a... Oh. I thought I killed you all. Okay, doesn't matter. What up, bitch? Prepare to die. Bitch. Okay, you don't have anything. Except for nightstick, not gonna grab it. Is this a gas station? That's a gas station. Shit, hell yeah. That's handy as hell. Let me... Real quick. Gas. There's nothing really with gas, but... Let's just, do this one, right here. Not a jerry can anywhere? Are you serious? Fucking serious right now? Oh, hi there. Oh shit, You'll slowly die, don't worry. Oh, you're dead. Now you're also dead. You guys don't have anything. Smash the window. Why should I want to clean the blood? Then jump through. Doesn't look like there's anything. Eggs, burritos, orange soda. What? Water bottle. Grab the water bottle. No. Grab the fucking water bottle. Thank you for grabbing the water bottle. More water. More water. Just grab the water, all the water that you can. Oh shit. Okay. To ass. This one cannot be repaired, so it doesn't matter. I'm sorry. Chips. Oh yeah. Legendary. That has to be. Come on, a lighter. Don't know what it's used for, so I'm not gonna take it. I have a marker anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go home, I guess. we go. Oh wait. Oh, okay. It's a washing. How do you say it in English? I don't know. It's a thing you can wash your car with. Okay. Car cleaner. Oh, he passed out. Holy shit. Okay, I already looted this one. Okay, so let's just go home. I cannot walk anymore. Let's turn off this. Let's put my bag. Oh wait, no, let's just empty my bag. Maybe that's handy. Drink. No, I want a drink. Guess I can't drink. Okay, here we go. On water bottles in there. Orange soda in there. Chips, I'm gonna eat the chips. Okay. Bath towel, dry myself. Wet, now it's wet. How do I fix it? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now everything is done. I can go to sleep. Yes. And I'll save it and I'll quit right here. Guys, I hope you liked the first video of Project Zomboid. If you did, press like. If you didn't, press like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.